Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my video. Today, I want to share my evening routine with you. I will tell you how I end my day. I will also share how I continue practicing English in the evening. This story is simple, calm, and I hope it helps you. So listen carefully till the end. My name is Alex. I am a student. I live in a small town with my family. Many people focus only on morning routines, but I believe the evening is just as important. A good evening helps you sleep well. A good evening prepares you for tomorrow. So I will share with you exactly what I do every evening. I come home from school at around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. When I open the door, I say, "I am home." My mother answers from the kitchen, "Welcome home, Alex. How was your day?" I say, "It was good, Mother. I learned many new things today." This simple greeting in English is part of my daily practice. Even at home, I try to use English when I can. What time do you come home in the evening? Do you greet your family when you arrive?
The first thing I do is change my clothes. I take off my school uniform. I put on comfortable clothes, a t-shirt and soft pants. I feel relaxed immediately. Then I wash my hands and face with cool water. The water removes the tiredness from my face. While I dry my face with a towel, I look in the mirror. I say to myself, "Good job today, Alex. Now let's finish the day well." Speaking to myself in English feels natural now. After I change, I go to the kitchen. My mother gives me a small snack. Sometimes it is fruit, sometimes it is biscuits with tea. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I do not rush. While I eat, I think about my day. I think in English. Today I spoke with my teacher. Today I read a new story. Today I helped my friend. This quiet thinking time is very important to me. Do you take time to think about your day?
After my snack, I rest for 15 minutes. I do not use my phone during this time. I just sit quietly, or I look out the window. I watch the sky. I watch the trees. I let my mind relax. My teacher told me, rest is not laziness. Rest gives your brain energy. So I rest without guilt. These 15 minutes help me feel ready for homework. At 5 o'clock, I start my homework. I go to my study room. I open my school bag and take out my books. First, I check what homework I have. I write it down in simple words. Math exercises, page 42. English reading, chapter 5. This helps me stay organized. Then I start with the most difficult subject first. Today it is math. I work slowly and carefully. If I do not understand something, I do not get angry. I take a deep breath and try again. Sometimes I ask my father for help. He is very patient with me. I finish my homework at around 6:30. Then I open my English notebook. This is my personal English practice time. Nobody tells me to do this. I choose to do it. I review the new words I learned today. I write each word 3 times. Then I make one sentence with each word. For example, today I learned the word curious. I wrote, "I am curious about many things in life." Writing helps me remember better than just reading. Do you review your English lessons in the evening? Maybe you can try it for just 10 minutes.
At 7 o'clock, my family has dinner together. My mother, my father, and I sit at the table. We talk about our day. My father asks, "What did you learn in school today, Alex?" I answer in English. I learned about history. I also practiced speaking in English class. My parents listen carefully. They are proud of my effort. Sometimes I make mistakes when I speak, but they never laugh. They encourage me. My mother says, "Keep going, my son. You are doing very well." These words give me strength. For dinner, we eat simple food. Tonight, we have rice, vegetables, and chicken. My mother is a very good cook. While we eat, I try to describe the food in my mind using English. The rice is soft. The chicken is delicious. The vegetables are fresh. This small practice helps me think in English naturally. After dinner, I help my mother clean the table. I wash the dishes while she cleans the kitchen. We work together quietly. This is our routine. I like it very much.
After dinner, I have some free time. From 8 to 8:30, I do something I enjoy. Sometimes I read a storybook in English. Sometimes I watch a short English video about nature or animals. Sometimes I listen to calm English music. I do not watch anything too exciting or loud. I want my mind to stay calm before bed. My teacher says what you put in your mind before sleep is very important, so I choose carefully. What do you do in the evening to relax? At 8:30, I prepare for bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face again. I put on my sleeping clothes. Then I go to my room. My room is clean and quiet. Before I sleep, I sit on my bed. I take my notebook and write one short paragraph about my day. Today, I write, "Today was a good day. I finished all my homework. I spoke English with confidence. I helped my mother. I am grateful for this day." Writing before bed helps me feel peaceful. It also helps me practice writing in English every single day. Then I think of 3 things I am grateful for. I close my eyes and think quietly. I am grateful for my family. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for the chance to learn English. This simple habit makes me feel happy and calm. Even on difficult days, I can find something to be grateful for. Gratitude is a powerful habit, my friends. Before I turn off the light, I set my alarm for tomorrow morning. I set it for 6 o'clock. I put my phone far from my bed, so I have to stand up to turn off the alarm. This helps me wake up immediately. Then I say one last sentence in English. "Good night, Alex. Sleep well. Tomorrow is a new chance." I turn off the light. I close my eyes. I take 3 deep breaths, and I sleep. So, my dear friends, this is my evening routine. It is simple. It is calm. It is consistent. I do not do anything special or difficult, but I do these small things every single evening. And over time, these small actions make a big difference. My English improves. My sleep improves. My confidence improves.
You can create your own evening routine too.
You do not need to copy everything I do. Just choose 2 or 3 simple habits. Maybe you can review your English notes for 10 minutes. Maybe you can write 1 sentence about your day. Maybe you can think of 1 thing you are grateful for. Start small. Be consistent. Be patient with yourself. Please tell me in the comments, what is your evening routine? Do you practice English in the evening? What time do you go to bed? I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for listening to my evening routine. I hope this story inspires you to create a calm and focused evening. Remember, how you end your day is just as important as how you start it. Keep practicing every day. Keep learning every day. Keep believing in yourself. We are learning together, my dear friends. If you found my story helpful, like the video and share it with others. Subscribe to this channel to not miss new stories. See you in my next story. Sleep well. Take care. Bye-bye.